Okay, so I'm going to be teaching or showing, not teaching, showing you how to use bulk crate in Canva. It's an app that saves my life almost every day. Anyways, so I created this. I made this on my name on Instagram, and this is just text, and then this is a hashtag that I thought was cute. You do you, and you create what your image is, and what this is for is I'm going to create 30. You can create as many as you want, but I'm just doing 30. I mean, man, you can go up to 100, you can do as many as you want, but I am just going to do 30. I like to do month to month. So, all right, so I went to Chatty and asked for 30 sayings, short sayings for online entrepreneurs, and I got some cute ones. So I'm going to copy this, come back to Canva. So the first thing I did, like I said, I designed what I want this to look like. Let's see here. I think I'll keep the color. Well, let me see if I want to go a little bit. Yellowish, yellowish, pinkish, orange, purple. You know what? Let's go. Let's do this color, okay? Because I have a lot of pinks. I want to kind of do this. Okay, and then I'm my person, da 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 da. So I have everything here. Now I'm going to go down to apps, and I can go right here and just type in bulk crate. However, my bulk crate is right here on the side since I used it so much. And then I'm going to go enter data, however you say it. And I'm going to clear the table. And then I'm just going to copy and paste. I'm just going to paste it right here. I'm going to put text. You can put whatever you want. And done. Okay. Now what? Now you go over here and you click on the three dots, connect, data, and you're going to, this is what we're trying to find. And you saw purple, purple, purple. So we're going to go continue. And these shouldn't be too long, but I think we're okay. I want to make sure that it doesn't, there we go. There we go. I want to make sure that it doesn't put the words on her. So we will just put it like that. And we are going to generate 30 designs. It'll take you to another screen. Eventually. There we go. There we go. And perfect. Look at this. Now I have something really cute. I like these things too. Now, here's one that's a little too big, so I'm just going to fix it, and that should be okay. So definitely gonna, you know, gonna have to fix some of these, which is perfectly fine. I didn't have to create them all, so I am good with that. This one I might go down in size because I want that chapter 1 to be right next to it. There we go. Don't compare your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20. Okay, so there you go. A simple, simple, simple way to make your stuff. Okay? Thank you very much. No, you're welcome. That's what I should say. You're welcome. Now, I have these, not this template, but I do have templates that I show in the template treehouse how to do this with the templates that I have in there. So, just a little side note.